whispers to my feet. Shadows stretch where the night and dreams meet. A silver